A very good morning to all. Welcome to science class. I hope today you all have eaten your breakfast. Now, what you eat plays a very important role for the structure and functioning of your body. Let's recall the basic of science. Now, as we all are human beings, we need some support system for natural functioning of our body. Now, this support system is all what you eat and which nourishes your body and helps in functioning. Before we come to the main topic, let's understand the basic concept. Now, you can see on the screen there is a question. What is malnutrition? Basically, nutrition is the science which deals with the supplying or supporting with the elements which are the need of the body. Now here first we'll talk about malnutrition. Now you can see what is malnutrition. Now malnutrition is a condition of the body when there is no sufficient supply of nutrients given to body. A condition that develops when the body does not get the right amount of nutrients, either not enough or too much, that needs to maintain various bodily function is called malnutrition. Now, not necessary that only you are deficient. If you eat anything excess, that is either less than the sufficient condition or more than the sufficient condition, both can cause you harm. Malnutrition hence is a condition when there is no balance between the nutrients, correct balance between the nutrients left in the body. So it is necessary that depending upon your age, sex, occupation, your physical activities, what amount of food you intake. It is not that because you like a food you have to eat that only, or you dislike. You have to consume your food depending upon the nutritive value. And hence we all should avoid junk food. In this generation, we all have a craze of burger, pizzas. So, all these are included in junk food. Just in a span of time, it's okay. But if you like it too much and you eat those things, your body does not get enough nutrients. Now, basically, what are these nutrients? You can see carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Besides this, water also plays a very important role as a nutrient. When all these nutrients are present in the correct amount in our body, so that means that these nutrients, when consumed in correct amount, proper intake, depending upon age, sex, occupation, considering all these factors together, only then we can have a balanced diet. You can see in the picture a healthy person and a malnutrited person. Okay, so whatever you intake, the important part is the nutritive value of the food. Hence, to maintain a balanced diet plays a very important role. So when you are deficient of carbohydrates and proteins, this can also be a condition of malnutrition. So I repeat, malnutrition is a condition that develops when the body does not get the right amount of nutrients, either not enough or too much, that need to maintain various bodily function is called malnutrition. Now we know what is malnutrition. Let us understand the concept of how to prevent malnutrition. Now, as I told you, maintaining a balanced diet. Okay, maintaining a balanced diet plays a very important role. Generally, malnutrition is caused due to lack of nutritional components. Now you can see your nutritional components, meaning those foodstuffs which are sources of these nutrients. So malnutrition can be prevented by providing special diets such as fruits, vegetable, milk product, oils, meat, beans, etc. with sufficient amount in timely. These conditions, when it is fulfilled, it avoids malnutrition. So to keep yourself healthy, fit and fine, even in this pandemic, you need to fulfill all these nutrients. I hope you have understood this concept of malnutrition. Thank you.